is a sentence consisting of only one clause, the main clause, which can stand alone, with a single subject and predicate. The function of simple sentence is use simple sentence when presenting a limited amount of information.
A complex sentence is a sentence with one independent clause and one dependent clause. The function of complex sentence is when you need to provide more information to explain or modify your sentence main point.
An independent clause is a simple sentence that has its verb and a subject and makes a complete sentence. A dependent clause has a subject and a verb, but it's not a complete sentence. Dependent clauses often start with subordinating conjunction, such as after, although, as if, because.
How to identify a simple sentence? Step 1. You should read all the text and identify any clauses in the sentence. Step 2. Read the sentence and determine if it is a complete sentence. Since the subject and the verb don't have a subordinating conjunction in front of them, they make a complete sentence. Step 3. After determining it is a complete sentence, we read and determine if there are any additional clauses.
How to identify a complex sentence? First, look for multiple clauses. A complex sentence contains at least one dependent clause and one independent clause. Second, identify the independent clause. This clause expresses a complete thought and can stand alone. Third, spot the dependent clause. This clause cannot stand alone and usually begins with subordinating conjunction.
I went to the store. Verb I and a predicate went to the store. This sentence conveys clear and direct information without any additional clauses or information.
We played the game in my room. This is a simple sentence with a subject and verb and it forms a complete thought. The subject is we and the predicate is play the game in my room.
I'm going to the bookstore tomorrow. It states the activity that subject I will do, and it's clear enough that doesn't need a subordinating clause.
Because she left it at home. Because it depends clause. Well, the word because it is a subordinating conjunction. Remember, the simple sentence doesn't have subordinating conjunction. The right sentence is she left her key at home.
Until I found him. Because it doesn't make sense and it's not complete. It's just only one dependent clause. So the correct one is I found him yesterday.
I went to the store because I needed to buy groceries for dinner. Because it consists of two clauses. The main clause, I went to the store, and the subordinate clause, because I needed to buy groceries for dinner. The subordinate clause provides the reason for the action. This sentence also provides additional information that explains the motivation behind the action.
She missed the train because she overslept. The independent clause, she missed the train, can stand alone as a complete sentence and express a complete thought. The dependent clause, because she overslept, cannot stand alone and needs an independent clause to give it meaning. The word because is a subordinating conjunction which links the dependent clause to the independent clause and explains the reason for the action.
Although it was late, she decided to tell the truth. Because the main clause, she decided to tell the truth, provides information about the subordinating clause, although it was late.
After the party ended. There is no main sentence and independent clause in that sentence. Remember, complex sentences need an independent clause and dependent clause. And the correct one is after the party ended, everyone went home.
You will get a perfect score. This sentence consists of an independent clause and doesn't contain any dependent clause. So it is a simple sentence. If you want to make it into complex sentence, you put subordinating conjunction like if. So the correct sentence is, if you study hard, you will get a perfect score.